The market is set to open flattish after Friday's strong down move. World markets followed us lower, and we do not have a decision yet on which direction we're going, or not too many clues. Right now we're looking at the weekly view on the SPY, so I want to just put the down move into perspective. When you look at it on the weekly, you can see we started our march higher from about 128 or so, and topped out 148-ish. Had some trouble in the 147 a few times, and this hard down move takes us right into an area where this could be the beginning of something bigger, of a larger down move, but we're not going to know until the next few days, or until at least we see a break, I would say, below 142, and see how quickly we can get down to the 140 area, if that does happen at all. But you can see on the weekly it's setting up, we're trending higher, sharp down move. Then we have to see if we do a little bit of consolidation and break one way or the other, or if we get some follow through to the downside right away from Friday. Zooming in on the last couple of weeks, you can see we went up very quickly to 146.5, and we came back down to 143 very quickly as well. Just that it commented on about how quickly the market was able to recover as a sign of strength in a day, basically day and a half. We gave back those entire gains even more quickly than they had been achieved. We are in the pre-market. We actually were around 143.60 was where we had trouble right at the end of the day yesterday. We came off from that, and it looks like we might test this 143 level into the open. A couple of possible trading scenarios. One is we take out the 143, we go down to this last week's low here, and we see what happens. We tried to break down from about 142.65 3 different times last week, and we were unable to do that. So perhaps the reaction at that level will give us an indication whether or not we have another down leg in store for this week. And then, of course, if this is going to be shaken off and we're going to have some sort of inside day, the first thing we would have to do is take out this 143.60 here. And if we do that, then I guess 144 would be the next logical place for the market to trade up to. After such a big move, 2.5 point down move, you would think that we would either have an inside day or a faux inside day, meaning we'd initially come off and then move back inside of Friday's range. A lot less likely to have 2 trend days in a row. We've only seen that probably a few times in the last year.